This is the Math 6 review of Topic 5, Lesson 6, comparing unit rates. So just like we saw in 5.5, the idea about a unit rate is you want that second value to become a 1. Another thing that's sort of interesting about this is you can make either one of them 1 and still get the right answer without, as long as you're consistent. Like in this first question, you can either make it how many mangoes can you get for $1 or how many dollars does it cost for 1 mango. So you get to decide which of those two things you want to do. And I'll show you. Let me show you. Okay. So for the first one, $5 for 4 mangoes. $5 for 4 mangoes. Or $6 for 5 mangoes. Hi, me, M-A-N-G. Okay, so if we want the bottom number to be a 1, we would have to do 4 divided by 4 to get 1, so we need to do 5 divided by 4 to get the top number. So in this case, it would be $1.25 per mango. And on the other one, same kind of deal. If we want to know how much it's going to be for 1 mango, we would do 5 divided by 1 and get 1. 5 divided by 5 is 1, so we do 6 divided by 5 and we get 1.2 or $1.20. So it is the better deal is to get 5 mangoes for $6, or $6 for 5 mangoes. And so I'll just circle it. But I'm going to erase this next part in just a second. I want to show you what it looks like if you do it the other way around. 4 mangoes for $5. If you want to figure out how many mangoes you can get for $1, you would divide by 5. And 4 divided by 5, I think is 0.8, is 0.8. You could get 0.8 of a mango. Not quite a whole mango, just 0.8 of a mango. And in the other case, 5 mangoes for $6. In this situation, 5 divided by 6, you could get 0.83. You could get more mango with this situation. So once again, that is the right answer. So whichever way you want to do it is fine. Personally, I prefer to do it the way it's written and have the second thing be the thing that needs to become a 1. But it's up to you, as long as you're consistent. I feel like this line is too thick. Let's try it a little thinner and see if that helps. Who earned more each month? Atif made $84 in 3 months, and Jafar made $100 in 4 months. So we're going to figure out how much each of them made in 1 month. So in the first one, 3 divided by 3 is 1, so 84 divided by 3 is $28 in 1 month. 4 divided by 4 is 1, so 100 divided by 4 is 25. So this person made more money. That would be Atif. Hopefully that's not a full-time job. Okay, next one. Which is the faster rate? 3 laps in 5 minutes. Why does this keep getting so thick? Let's try that. 3 laps in 5 minutes. We're going to see how many laps this person could do in 1 minute. 5 divided by 5 is 1. So 3 divided by 5 is 0.6. This person can do a little over half a lap in a minute. The other one, 4 laps in 7 minutes. We're going to take that to 1 minute. 7 divided by 7 is 1, so 4 divided by 7 is 0.57. They're really close, right? But this one's better. This one can go further, so it's the first one. Good. So what do you think? How is this going? Does this seem pretty doable? If you're kind of at the point where you're like, okay, I get it, you can stop watching. You're going to miss my jokes, if that's important to you. The better value, 3 sandwiches for $15, or 4 sandwiches for $21. What if we use mental math? 3 sandwiches for $15. Isn't that $5 a sandwich? I'm pretty sure. And 4 sandwiches for $21. $5 a sandwich would have made it just $20. So these are a little more than $5 a sandwich. Better value means cheaper. So that would be the first one. I had to just check the answer key and make sure I'm right. And then the last one. Ouch! Oh, my cat has very sharp claws. Stanley. What is the greater rate? 6 points in 3 attempts. Oh, I gotta sneeze. I'll hit pause. It's just, that was a big sneeze. So for this person, how many points would they make in 1 attempt? So we will do 3 divided by 3 to get 1. So we need to do 6 divided by 3, and that'll give us 2 points. And then the other one, 15 points in 5 attempts. I want to know how many points this person gets. Whoops. How many points this person gets in 1 attempt. Holy moly, it just got super, super windy outside. It's ominous. So I would do 5 divided by 5 to get 1. So I'll do 15 divided by 5 to get 3 points. So this is the better thing. This person gets more points per attempt. Looks like it says lats. 15 points per 5 attempts. That's it. Do okay? Answer in the comments. Except you can't make comments because I made this a kid-friendly video, but you can certainly tell me about it